Welcome to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest and in-depth product reviews. Today, we're spotlighting what we consider the best Perry Ellis Boxer Briefs for men. The Perry Ellis Men's Cotton Stretch Boxer Briefs, tagless, no-roll waistband, 5-pack. Whether you're looking to upgrade your daily essentials or need comfortable support for an active lifestyle, this product deserves your attention. Let's jump right in. Right out of the box, you get a value-packed set of 5 boxer briefs. They come in a stylish mix of colors: iron, cloud gray, berry merlot, berry stripe, and midnight black. The visual appeal is subtle but elevated, classic tones with a touch of modern flair. Now, the fabric. These boxer briefs are made from a blend of 95% cotton and 5% spandex. That combination gives you the breathable softness of cotton with just the right amount of stretch from the spandex. This means all-day comfort that adapts to your movement, whether you're sitting at a desk, running errands, or doing a full workout. One of the standout features is the tagless waistband. Perry Ellis has designed these briefs to eliminate the usual itching and irritation that comes with tags. Instead, you get a smooth, soft waistband that stays in place. It's labeled as a no-roll waistband, and during testing, it truly lived up to the claim. No folding over, no slipping down, it holds without digging in. What also impressed us is the seam construction. The seams are smooth and thoughtfully placed, reducing friction and avoiding any uncomfortable bunching. It's a small detail, but one that makes a big difference when you're wearing them for 8, 10, even 12 hours at a stretch. These briefs are designed to move with you. Whether you're stretching in the morning, jogging, or just lounging around on the weekend, they keep up. The fit is snug but not tight, flexible yet supportive. You'll feel secure, but never restricted. That balance is hard to strike, and Perry Ellis has nailed it here. And yes, they're machine washable. Just toss them in with the rest of your laundry. After multiple washes, the color and elasticity hold up well, which speaks to the quality of both the fabric and the stitching. Sizes range from small to extra large, and there's a size chart to help you get the right fit. From what we've seen, the sizing runs true to form. So unless you prefer a looser or tighter fit, you can order your regular size confidently. For under $30, this 5-pack offers excellent value. You're getting premium feel boxer briefs that rival more expensive brands, without paying the premium price tag. Whether you're a student, a working professional, an athlete, or someone who just values comfort, this is a solid pick. It's reliable, well-crafted, and stylish without trying too hard. To wrap up, if you're looking for the best Perry Ellis boxer briefs for men, this is it. Comfortable, breathable, stretchy, tagless, and affordable. All the things you want in your everyday underwear, bundled into one well-designed package. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss an honest review. Got a product you want us to check out next? Drop it in the comments. Thanks for watching. See you next time.